Yo, what's going on, everybody? We're back with another one, and today we're going to be doing, as you can tell probably already, is the headlights. We're getting rid of these things, which they're not horrible. I mean, they're pretty. I think the only one that has like damage to it is the one on the passenger side, but I just don't like this. So let me show you what we got today. I ordered this stuff off Amazon. It was like 140 bucks for them. It's just more like a modern thing. So this is what we got going on. It's got the clears on the side. Then it has the DRL that goes all the way around. Is this the? Yeah, and here's the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. And here's the bottom. Same thing, DRL. So you have to wire these in. Basically what I got from AutoZone, I picked these up. That way I don't have to do a lot of cutting and wire nuts and all that stuff. These are basically, you just put your wire in, put the other wire in, and you close them down and it splices them together. Well, I mean, you can read quick splices. I mean, it's basically what it is. I think that's gonna look a lot better with these than those other ones. Well, it's the passenger side. I was gonna set them up there where you get an idea. But yeah, I paid about 140, almost 150 for them. They look very good though. They feel about the same weight as the other ones. I know I see that label on there, Chinese, Japanese, whatever it is. But like I said, it was only 140 bucks. So what I'm gonna do is, when I wire the DRLs in, I'm just going straight into this one here, which this is the DRL lights. So I'm just gonna undo this here a little bit more, that way I can get some more access to the wire. Put me 2 on each wire for those. That's pretty much all of this to it, and it's plug and play after that. These lights are very easy to take out. You don't have to have any tools to take these out. Like, you just got one pin that goes here, pull that out. Then if you look down here, right there in that corner, there's a tab. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but you just push that tab in. Let me take these headlights out first. And I do have high beam headlights coming, so don't kick my tail too much about these ugly things. Let me see if I can get to it now. But yeah, you just push this here, and it comes out. As you can see, it's just a little push tab, and you push that in. You pull this side out first, because this side actually locks into this groove here. So you don't want to pull from the inside here. You want to pull from the outside. But yeah, I'm gonna take all these bulbs out, get everything prepped, and then I'll show y'all exactly how I wired them up. That way, if somebody in the comments is planning on doing something similar to this, you will already have an idea on how it's going to be, which I don't think it's going to be that hard, but you know, you never know. You never know. The only thing that sucks is you got to take the headlight out to get the blinkers and stuff out, which isn't bad, but you know, it's just another thing you got to do. I'm going to pause the video real quick because I don't have anything. I wish I had something I could set it on, that way I could have it like right here, but I don't have anything. I gotta get me a tripod. That's the next thing on the list. I got one on the phone, but it's like freaking maybe 6 inches tall. But yeah, let me I'm gonna set the phone down real quick. I'm gonna pause the video, and once I get one side in, I'll put the other ones back in and give y'all just a side-by-side comparison on the two, because I know it's going to make a big difference. I've seen a truck with them and it looks a lot better. It makes it look more modern. And then that orange amber is gone, which is always a good thing. But yeah, I'm gonna pause the video real quick, and I'm gonna get one side in, and I'll pick the video back up once I do that. All right, fellas, let me show you what we got. Man, I think this is gonna look real good. Turn the lights on, that way y'all can see. Oh yeah, let me show you what we got. That looks a lot better. A lot better. 150 bucks, you can't beat it. And then plus $20 and the little splice connectors, and I had to get me another pair of wire strippers because the van I usually work out of is at the shop getting worked on. The van I'm in now, I didn't take all my tools with me, so I had to buy those as well. But yeah, let me get the other side put in, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. And I might wait till it gets darker because the sun is still way up there. But I mean, if it looks good, I'll go ahead and pick the video up and show y'all what we got. But I think that looks a lot better. I'm gonna have to adjust it a little bit because it does have, which isn't gonna be bad. I think we'll be good. But yeah, let me get this other side in real quick, and then I might wait till it gets a little bit darker, but if not, I'll just do the video after I get done with the install. But hang tight and I'll be able to show you all the finished product. All right, fellas, I was gonna wait till it got dark, but I got to thinking these headlights are freaking bright. So at night, you probably wouldn't even be able to see them because of the glare. Let me, man, that thing sounds so good. Go, 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 go. If you're thinking about camming your truck, do it. You'll love it. Just saying. Let me show y'all what we got going on now. I think this looks great now. Let me give y'all a side view of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm thinking, man, I don't know what kind of exhaust I want to do. I'm thinking about doing, that thing sounds good just with a single outlet. But what I'm thinking about doing is getting like two, I think those are 3 or 4 inch. I'm thinking about getting two, either 3 or 4 inch, and putting them right here at the corner. But they're gonna be true dual. I think that would look good. Look at that, look at that dent. Gotta get a new bumper too. It's got some minor stuff, but nothing crazy. But yeah, that exhaust, it'll throw you off every time you hear it. You're like, man, that thing sounds so good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Does it look better? I think it looks real good now. So it's got the headlights that are on, the running lights here, the side marker, the blinker switchback, and then the running light, and then the fog lights. So this thing has like 6 lights running at once. I think it looks mean now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Does it look better? I think it looks, oh yeah, it looks real good right there. And those DRLs that come on the headlights itself, they're very bright. They're very bright, excuse me. And the headlight assemblies itself, they're made very well. Like I was gonna go around them with some RTV and make sure they were sealed, but all the way throughout the headlights, it was recently sealed. I could tell it was recently sealed because the silicone still felt like it's kind of sticky feeling. Because I know they were supposed to be here Thursday, and I just got them today. Today's Sunday, so I don't know if they had to make a new set or what, but I'm just glad they're in. Now we don't have to worry about that amber color here anymore. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. How'd it turn out? Do y'all like these better or the stock headlight housings? I like these better, in my opinion. I'll leave a link in the description for the headlight assembly just in case somebody else wants to pick them up. I do got some more bulbs coming. They should be here this week, coming from Last Fit. They're going to be the high beams and the switchbacks. Because you can see here, I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a bluish tint to it, and this one's like a pure white. So I definitely want to get that switched out because this here is pure white as well. But yeah, I got some more stuff coming for the truck this week. Hopefully we can get to it because I know it's supposed to rain quite a bit this week. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoy, hit that like button, subscribe. I know we're closing in on that 1,000 mark. I appreciate every single one of you guys. But that's going to do it for this one. Peace.